Good morning. Here starts another vlog. Yeah, so good morning. I look like I just wake up. Probably just because I just woke up. And I really wasn't planning to leave my house today, but I got a notification from IKEA saying that something that I want is back in stock and they have limited stock. So I'm rushing now, trying to get to IKEA. Trying to get to IKEA. I also have a return, so I'll take that as well and try to get this piece that I want. So essentially that is it. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Honestly, I am tired of wearing a mask. I am not accustomed to doing all of this walking and still having to wear a mask, walking, running, trying to catch buses or trains or whatever. I feel so unfit. Oh my gosh. I am accustomed to wearing a mask and taking a leisurely stroll without, extra baggage. Whew. So yeah, this is definitely taking some adjusting. So it said that it had 10 more. I just checked the system. 10 more. So that very well means that it could not be in stock. So let's see. Okay. So it's in stock. Here she is. to get a candle. Yeah. At 5:20, I'm gonna walk to the mall to get a candle.
Has the cocoa butter middle. So while the water's running, you break off a little chunk like that, and then crumble it while it's going.
Okay, so into my bath.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
So kind of set your water temperature that you enjoy, and then start crumbling it. My best practice, because you start to get a little bit of bits at the bottom.
Yeah.
Just give it a good shake, and that will create more bubbles for you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
If you want to give this, whereas something like the milky bath, that you would just run it under, so you don't have to do the
Oh, it
crumbling
feels
bit.
nice. So, okay, so this would be like at the end of my like regular shower, like regular soap.
You can if you like. These guys, because they have the soapy base, they will be cleansing. But if you like to shower after your bath, you can